Break the chains of shyness in order to be able to live a happy, productive life. Much of life depends on our relationship with other people. And if you're too shy and too introverted to interact, you will lead a very constricted life. I'd like to tell you a few stories that illustrate shyness on a personal level. The first one concerns me. When I was in high school, I became attracted to a young lady. But I was so shy and so unable to go up to her and start a conversation that I never said a word. I was totally mesmerized by her beauty, but couldn't do anything about it. How do you think I felt several years later when I learned of her marriage? And believe me, it was not to me. I became so frustrated with myself, so upset, so angry, that I knew I had to take some corrective action. I heard about a group called Toastmasters International. The purpose of this group is to help people speak in public, which, by the way, is the #1 fear that people have. Stories are powerful. Personal stories are even more powerful. Evocative personal stories are the most powerful. And over time, I began to, first of all, lose my fear of speaking in public, but also began to speak with other people much more easily. I have a friend who was very, very shy. He grew up in his father's pawn shop. He worked there. One day, when a new customer walked in, he said to his son, "Wait on that customer." His son looked at him and started shaking, and his feet were banging together. He had never waited on a customer before. His father said, "Talk to him." He did so, and he barely made it through his first interaction, but he was able to make a sale. You must confront your shyness by doing exactly what you're afraid to do. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this was relevant to your needs. Please make your comments below. As always, I remind you, drink, and drink abundantly from the fountain of life. See you next time.